Taco making. Dump our chicken. Okay, this is a fried shell. And I'm gonna just arrange my chicken around. Seasoned with salt and pepper. Okay. It's a messy kitchen. Messy kitchen means great food. So let's do the cilantro. Okay.
Try kimchi on them.
Let me wash my hand first. Oh yeah, but no, I'm like drop some cheese. And the salsa verde. Why didn't buy hot? This is mild.
I was gonna put sriracha on them.
Yum.
Layers of heat.
I like the salsa verde. It's from. It really adds flavor. I want more. Want more. It's a huge taco. And the famous sriracha. It's gonna be spicy. There you go. Excuse the messiness, because when you make food, you make mess. It's all worth it. That is our chicken taco. Let's eat. Yum.